off-duty army jawan has been attacked. That's what we are learning of right now. This is happening at Pulwama. Off-duty army jawan was shot at by terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir, Pulwama. Now, we are coming to know that Dalair Mushtaq, resident of Aripal area in Tral, sustained 2 bullet injuries on the legs. The incident occurred near his house. And the off-duty army jawan had to be rushed to the hospital where his condition is said to be stable. Also, we are coming to know that security forces have cordoned off the area and launched a search operation to track down these assailants who have gone ahead and attacked this off-duty army jawan. Now, this is the picture that we have for you on your screen. Army jawan was on leave. He was shot at by terrorists in Pulwama area. We'll try to connect to our reporters too to understand what really happened, but that is the picture coming in just moments after the off-duty army jawan was attacked by terrorists, shot at. Okay, let's go to Zeenat. Zeenat, what is the situation? How's the health of the off-duty army jawan who was on leave when he was attacked by these terrorists? And do we have any idea who are these terrorists behind this incident?
See, as far as the army jawan is concerned, he was an off-duty army jawan who had come home and was traveling just outside his home in his personal vehicle when he was targeted by the weapon-borne terrorists. The vehicle also got hit by the gunshot bullets, and he also received the gunshot injury in his leg. He was evacuated first to the nearby medical facility, but from there he was shifted to military-based hospital in Srinagar where he is being treated. Although his leg is being affected and he was being treated, although the condition of the off-duty army jawan who comes from 29 RR where he is posted, his condition is stable. We witnessed yesterday the coordinated search operations in the village of this, in the area of Tral. Multiple villages witnessed the cordon search operations were carried. But these are usually the small weapon-borne terrorists, the OGWs who carried this kind of attack. Although police is yet to reveal the identity of the terrorist or the terror group who has carried this attack. You see, this attack has come just a day after when a terrorist from South Kashmir's Koimu Kulgam, KA category Lashkar Toiba terrorist Junaid Butt was neutralized by the joint forces in Operation Dachigam. It seems it is more like now coming from the terror agencies that they tried also to show their presence on ground by carrying such kind of incident. Though off-duty army jawan, he's stable, his medical conditions are fine, but he's been treated at the army-based hospital. But this also tells you that these kind of OGWs who provided support to the terror networks for the armed transportation of arms and ammunition, providing food and other things to the terrorists, that cycle is still active, and police as well as the security forces need to work on such activities and on such people so that these kind of incidents where people come, hit and run, these incidents are stopped or taken care of. These people are also arrested, though in past we have seen J&K police arresting these OGWs, their properties were seized, because that was one of the major steps being taken by the security agencies like Jammu and Kashmir Police, the law enforcing agency, with the result that many incidents like these have come down, because when you attach the property of the family and the other assets, definitely it gives a bigger blow to their families, and with the result, such incidents have come down.